So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pixels Swapnil, and today we are going to discuss what is virtualization. Virtualization is the process of creating a software based or virtual representation of something such as virtual applications, servers, storage and network. So what makes the virtualization feasible? The answer is hypervisor. The hypervisor is a piece of software that runs directly onto the hardware. Hypervisor abstracts the physical resources and allocate it to the virtual machine and helps to create virtual environment. So there are two types of hypervisor, type 1 and type 2. So in type 1 hypervisor, we install hypervisor directly onto the host. So that's why it is called as a bare metal hypervisor. Okay, and in type 2 hypervisor, we didn't install hypervisor directly onto the host. Instead of, we installed hypervisor onto the host OS, that is in our case any of them, Windows, Linux, Macs, and on top of which we install hypervisor. So that's why it is also called as a hosted hypervisor. The example of type 1 hypervisors are VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, and type 2 hypervisors are VMware Workstation, VMware Fusion, Oracle VirtualBox. So once you install the hypervisor, you are ready to create the virtual environment or virtual machines. So what is virtual machine? So virtual machine is a piece of software that runs application and act as a physical machine. So act as a separate physical machine. So due to this, we can move VM from one hypervisor to another hypervisor. So the virtual machine is work as a independent virtual machine or work as a separate virtual machine. So that's why we can install different type of OS on different virtual machines. So like here we can install Windows, Unix, Linux. So let's see some benefits of virtualization. So first benefit is cost saving, second is agility plus speed, and third is downtime. So suppose one of the hypervisor goes down, then we can move the virtual machine from one host to another host. So there are some features like DRS, vMotion, HA. So with the help of that, we can move virtual machine from one host to another host. And in next video, we are going to see how to install hypervisor on physical hosts. So thanks for watching. As we discuss basics of virtualization, make sure to subscribe below and give us a big thumbs up if you like this video.